Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I'm Nikhil, I'm Men's Image Consultant. Welcome back to another video from Bravo Man. Gentlemen, I'm super pumped up. The reason I'm super pumped up is because it's a festive season. Who won't be happy for festive season? I mean, everyone is happy, everyone feels pumped up, everyone feels amazing during this festive season, and especially this time wherein we have festivals back to back to back to back. And another best part about festivals is our ethnic wear, our kurtas, guys. I mean, entire year we cannot wear kurtas. 90% of the time of the year we are either in our formal wear or casual wear. But when it comes to ethnic wear, it's not like our women folks, because for them it is amazing. I mean, they can wear ethnic wear 365 days a year, and trust me, they look jaw-dropping gorgeous. But unlike us, it is only a small span of a time wherein we really can pull out those kurtas, fashionable kurtas and our ethnic wear, and we can really wear them. The biggest problem with the ethnic wear for men is we have limited options and we have to play in those limited options. But it is really important to understand those limited options, because those limited options can certainly be versatile options unless you know which are those versatile options, because the pattern remains the same. So gentlemen, today in this video, I am going to share the 5 must-have kurtas in every man's closet. These kurtas are one of the most versatile, and trust me, they are ageless, they are amazing, they are classic, and they are superb. You can wear them for any functions, be it it's a office function, or it might be a wedding, or it might be any classic function. You can absolutely easily and seamlessly carry this kurta. So before I get in the video, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, hit the bell notification icon below so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video on my channel. And please don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page, which is Bravo Man Image Consultant, and my Instagram page is also Bravo Man Image Consultant. Gentlemen, your support, it really helps me and the channel grow. So please consider subscribing, please support, please follow me, and please do share it with your friends and family. And without any further ado, let's get in the video. Gentlemen, as we all know, the ethnic wear, especially our kurtas, have evolved, and there have been a lot of different designs, patterns, themes for kurtas. But the reason about I'm making this video is for making your basics clear. I want you to understand the basics, which are the basic kurtas, because your basics are your classics and your classic will never go out of style. Before talking about the 5 best style of kurtas, I want to give you the 4 most important points to focus on how to style that particular kurta, and it will also help you to lock your basics so that you can never go wrong with styling a kurta. Point number 1 which you have to consider is the fit of your kurtas. Now, I will always recommend you guys that if you want to get a right fit of your kurtas, please get your kurtas tailor stitch, because every body type is different, and it is important if you want your kurta styling to be a top-notch styling, and if you really want to look sexy and amazing in kurtas, then it is important to focus on the fit of your kurtas. So understand the fit of the kurtas along with the length. Your length have to be your knee length. Do not make any kurtas longer than your knee length. Your knee length is the standard length of the kurtas. Number 2, and the most important thing, is pattern of the kurtas. Now, there are multiple patterns, but the most important thing is, our kurtas are, the more basic you keep your kurtas, the more classic it looks. And the classic pattern is a Chinese collar with a 3-button or a 4-button pattern with a side slit. This is the most classic pattern of kurtas, and trust me, any sort of a kurtas look amazing in this pattern. So stick to this pattern. I'm not saying the other patterns aren't good, but the other patterns are short-lived. Whenever you make any patterns, people tend to remember those patterns. So you can't keep on using or utilizing those patterns again and again. So that's the reason, keep it simple, because the more simple you keep your kurtas, the more elegant it look and the more classy and richer you look. So keep your patterns as simple. Number 3, again, the most basic and the most important thing which you have to think about while styling a kurta is your bottom. Now your kurta becomes your top end. Now your bottom end also have to be covered. Now for the bottom end, trust me, just stick to the three best bottom wear. Number one is a white pant, a simple basic slim fit white pant. Number two is either a chudidar. Number three is your patiala. These three are the basic bottoms. Trust me, these are the best bottoms for your kurtas. Any pattern, any kurtas, any style, these three basic bottoms will cover it all and you are good to go for any ethnic wear occasion. And the fourth and the most important thing is your footwear. Now, to give you a holistic look, your footwear plays a vital role, especially when it comes to your ethnic wear and your kurtas, because half of the time I see people wearing floaters, wearing chappals, wearing slippers, wearing some other, some woodland shoes and all. Please do not kill the charm of the ethnic wear. Ethnic wear has a charm in itself. If you want to really elongate that charm and if you want to really, live that charm, then the best footwear is number one is your basic sandals, your black or brown, because these two colors, they go with mostly all your kurtas and your bottoms. Number two is your mojeris. Again, black and brown, you are sorted. I mean, you will never ever go wrong with mojeris. Number three, again, which is my personal favorite, is your leather loafers. A basic leather loafers. Play with black or play with brown. Trust me, whenever you wear a kurta with a white pant, your black leather loafers or your brown leather loafers are really, really classy. They will really enhance your entire look, and trust me, you will nail that entire look. So these are the four basic points which you have to consider when it comes to your overall kurta styling. Okay, once you lock these four things in, trust me, you will never go wrong in styling a kurta. Now, the second part of the video and my personal favorite is these 5 kurtas which are my personal pick and which I feel will certainly suit every one of you all. So here you go. Number one, the most basic but the most classic amongst the lot is a white Lucknowi kurta. Gentlemen, if you really want to look classic, elegant, royal, rich, then just close your eyes and opt for a white Lucknowi kurta. Now, Lucknowi kurtas are really amazing. I mean, they are one of the most classic, most royal kurtas, and you can just wear them for any functions and any occasions. You know what makes a Lucknowi kurta so unique and so elegant is the embroidery. It originates from Lucknow and the embroidery work is called as a chicken work, which is really classic. It is so elegant. It just enhances your entire look, and the more simple you keep this kurta, the more elegant and the more royal you look with this kurtas. Wear your Lucknowi kurta with a simple basic white pant, a slim fit pant, and choose a black leather loafers or a white leather loafers or even sandals. You are just good to go. Number 2 on my list, again my personal favorite, is a linen kurtas. Gentlemen, linen as a fabric is widely used in fashion industry. Linen is known for its sturdiness as well as it is also known for its richness. So that's the reason it gives a very elegant and a very classy look. Being a very sturdier fabric, it is also highly absorbent fabric. So it is very comfortable to breathe in a linen kurta, and linen kurta has a different elegance to itself. The best thing about a linen kurta is the fall and the fit of the linen kurta. The way it flows, the way it has the crumpleness, it has a different look. You get varieties of options in linen, because you have multiple colors. You can just play with different colors and just pair it with a basic simple white pant, a slim fit pant, and just chuck in black loafers or brown loafers. You can even go with a mojari or a sandals, but you can never ever go wrong with a linen kurta, and it is my personal favorite. Before making this video, I had gone shopping for a linen kurta, and trust me, if you want to see which kurta, which color I have got, you have to check my channel, you have to check my Instagram page. I will be posting a pic of me in linen kurta, so link in the description below. Please follow me on my Instagram page for all the other updates. Number 3 on my list is a macho combination and a macho kurta, which is a Pathani kurta. Your ethnic wear will never be complete without a proper Pathani. You know, you need to have a Pathani in your closet because it is a must for men. And Pathani, I mean, it has a very unique pattern. The collars and the shoulder strap along with 2 pockets, it is unique. It is one of the classic, a cult classic I would say, and it is a must have. It just enhances the macho look in the ethnic wear, and every guy must have a Pathani in his closet. With Pathani kurtas, you can play with, again, you can just play with colors, pair it with a patiala and your mojaris, and you are just good to go. I mean, you will just rock the function. Now, number 4 on my list is, again, this particular kurta is a fusion kurta which I am wearing at the moment, which is a pattern kurta or a funky kurta. Now, it is not a must have, okay, but if you really want to play with colors and if you really want to play with that fusion wear with your ethnic wear, with your kurtas especially, then you can choose with a printed pattern like this. Again, this is a very easy go. These kurtas are like a funky pattern in kurta. You can keep a simple pattern because your kurtas, your design and the pattern is too loud. So please do not play with any other patterns. You can play with the colors. You already have like, you know, a lot of colors on this particular kurta. So keep your pattern simple. Again, just choose a white bottom. Any white bottom, it might be a churidar, it might be a white pant, a simple pant, and pair it with either a black loafers or brown loafers. That's it. And trust me, I mean, your kurta will do the talking. And that gets me to my number 5 on my list is Sherwani kurtas. Now, gentlemen, apart from our common functions like our Diwali get together, or it might be office functions, you know, when we talk about like a bigger functions like wedding, or if we talk about Sangeet, we talk about any bigger functions or occasions, then you really have to go into a proper ethnic wear, and you really have to be a little heavier dressed when it comes to a ethnic wear. And that is a time wherein your Sherwani kurtas play a vital role. Sherwani kurtas are basically made from raw silk. The reason they make raw silk is it gives a different stiffness to the kurtas, and these kurtas are way too heavier for a basic and a normal occasion. So these kurtas are only meant for like a bigger proper ethnic wear occasions like a wedding or Sangeet, or it might be, you know, some big functions. So the reason I'm keeping it on the number 5 is because you cannot use these kurtas for even a normal occasions. So you can just wear them once, especially for a bigger occasions, and then you have to keep it away. So invest money in these type of kurtas only if you have a function like that. The reason I wanted to give you is because these are the 5 types of kurtas which you must have. And especially when it comes to your Sherwani kurtas, you will not be able to repeat it. So it's better if you need it, then only make it. There are different patterns again. You have different color choices, you have different patterns, you get different varieties of raw silk. You can have them if you really want to have one, but if you don't have it, you will not lose out on much. So gentlemen, these are the 5 types of kurtas which every man must have in his closet. If you ask me among these 5 which are the 3 must have, then I would say the first 3, your Lucknowi white kurta, your linen kurta and your Pathani. These 3 are the ones which are a must have. You can just blindly go with them even if there is no function, and even if you want to get it stitched, just get it stitched because they will be utilized and they will be used, and you will always look amazing whenever you wear them. You wear them now or you wear them 5 years down the line. And gentlemen, I'm sure that you must have received a mail from your HR that, hey guys, it's a celebration time, it's a Diwali time, please come in ethnic wear. यार फेस्टिवल है तो यार जरा बंद थन के जाओ, अरे कुर्ता पहनो, अच्छा खासा कुर्ता पहनो यार, क्योंकि अगर कुर्ता नहीं पहना तो क्या पहना फेस्टिवल में. So please guys, stick to this pattern and trust me, you will rock your ethnic wear occasions and you will rock your festive season. And the last and the most important thing, guys, wish you and your family a very happy and a prosperous Diwali and a prosperous New Year. May this Diwali bring joy, happiness to you and your family. Be safe, be amazing, be good, and please do not forget the protocols. Please take care of yourself and your hygiene. And I see you in my next video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs. If you love it, please do share it with your friends and family. Till then, look great, feel fantastic. Ciao.